So tonight we have not one, but two menus. The first one is hamburgers and hot dogs, and the second one is an Italian-American feast.
Since we're cooking for such a quantity of people today, we thought barbecue foods would be really fun. We got these grills right back here. Perfect for when you're entertaining a lot of people. Lots of surface area. You can toast your buns while you're cooking your hot dogs and hamburgers. Today we're having a giant chili bar because we have a lot of mouths to feed. We've got a 3-meat chili, a vegetarian chili, and we also have a white chicken chili. We've pretty much got every topping in the book for these 3 chilies. We've got pickled jalapenos, sour cream, avocado, tons and tons of hot sauces.
The second best chili I had after my wife's.
I have the chicken chili, and I don't have a wife, so this is the best chili I've ever eaten.
We're also serving up a giant sheet tray of nachos today, and it's a really great way to feed a big crowd. And a really great tip that Rachel taught us is that we always layer the nachos. So you put all the chips on a tray, top it with cheese, more chips, more cheese, pop it in the oven, and then we're gonna top it off with the salsa. We actually chopped everything for the salsa yesterday. We just threw it all together today.
It's really important for Rachel today to feed the firefighters some really, really delicious good food. So she really wanted some really good comfort food for when they came back in here, and definitely some stuff that was gonna help them get through the rest of the day, especially for lunch.
Yes, oh my God, it's like my 3rd time I've gone up. The chili's fantastic. Is it all over my face? Because it's my 3rd bowl here, so I don't know how much it is.
And to keep everybody cool, we all scream for ice cream thanks to our friends at Frozen Sin.
Mint chocolate chip is the best.
This is the best chili, Rachel. Thank you very much.
We have had our best day, and a lot of it is thanks to our fearless leader, my friend, the namesake of this event, Dennis Leary. Dennis.
One more time for the FDNY Foundation and for the FDNY for having us here. You guys see Rachel? Yeah, that was awesome. Great. And try the relish on the cheeseburgers, the green relish, which is hers and handmade. Great.